Hey guys, it's Tesla, and today we're doing something completely different. I just got a message from my mom that I had a package in the mail, so I am going to unbox it today. This is something completely new for me, but today is February 7th, and she sometimes sends us Valentine's Day stuff, so I assume that's what it is, but I guess we'll find out in a second. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. My mom likes to send out these random packages, so I'm excited to see what's inside. I also got a box from Stitch Fix, but we'll deal with that later. A little note. I don't know if you can read that or not. No, looks like not. She says, Tess, this is the Valentine's gift box that Heathglen is promoting, but I changed yours to be the pear champagne instead of raspberry. I'm not a big raspberry fan, so I'm guessing she knows that. Thanks for understanding, Mom. Always so cute. I dropped it earlier, so I hope it's still good. Let's see. Feels like a jam. Maybe the pear champagne? It is the pear champagne and rosemary. That's one of my favorites. Yum. And it's still cold. We won't even have to refrigerate it. And ooh, the tart cherry and chocolate amaretto. This one I haven't even tried yet because she wouldn't let me try it last year because we were short on it, so that's exciting. I'll try that one. And the strawberry champagne, that's another one of my favorites too. I apparently like the champagne jellies, so, and that's all. That was a good Valentine's Day gift for me. Thank you, Mom. I appreciate it. So like my mom was mentioning earlier in her note, you can get these boxes at heathglen.com, but since I'm co-owner / daughter, I get special privileges and get it directly shipped to me. So I'm excited to go try this right now. I don't know which one I'll try yet, but I'm excited. So thanks, Mom. Talk to you later. Bye.